Are you looking to make money on YouTube? In this video, we'll explore how AI tools can maximize your earnings. If you want to transform your passion into profit, stay tuned. Meet Naseer, a dynamic entrepreneur. Since 2003, he turned challenges into opportunities and built 6 successful companies. With over $250 million in sales, Naseer dedicated himself to teaching over 250,000 students worldwide. He founded Naseer Inc., where his mission is clear: to empower aspiring entrepreneurs. Whether you're interested in digital publishing, email marketing, or event-based marketing, Naseer knows how to make it work for you. But what makes Anik unique? His journey wasn't always smooth. He faced tough times, including a significant business setback. Yet Naseer bounced back, generating over $10 million in just 16 months. His resilience is a lesson for all aspiring business owners. Now, let's dive into how to use AI tools to monetize your YouTube channel effectively. First, choose a niche you're passionate about. This keeps you motivated and engaged with your audience. Next, create high-quality content. Use AI tools for video editing to enhance production value. They can help streamline your editing process, allowing you to focus on creating great content. AI tools also assist in optimizing your videos. Consider using SEO tools to find trending keywords. This maximizes the visibility of your videos, improving your chances of getting discovered. Engagement is crucial on YouTube. AI can analyze viewer behavior, allowing you to understand what your audience loves. Adjust your content to keep viewers coming back for more. Monetization options include ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. AI tools can help identify profitable partnerships in your niche. Collaborating with brands enhances your credibility and offers additional income streams. Consistency is key in building your channel. Schedule regular uploads and AI can help manage your content calendar. Staying organized allows you to maintain engagement and grow subscribers. Now imagine this. You start with 100 subscribers. By using AI tools for optimization and engagement, you grow to 10,000 subscribers in 6 months. More views lead to more ad revenue, sponsorships, and opportunities. In summary, using AI tools on YouTube can revolutionize how you create and monetize content. Whether you're just starting or seeking to enhance your channel, these strategies can help you achieve your goals. Are you ready to dive in? Subscribe to the channel Future Mind AI Trends for more insights like these. Click the link below to start your journey and transform your dreams into reality. Empowering your entrepreneurial journey. Don't wait, take action now. Click the link in the description and let's make your YouTube dreams come true.